So for challenge 19, we need to do some iteration again, but this time we do not know how many times you want to repeat the information. It asks us to ask the user to input a number and repeat this until they get the number 7. Congratulate the user when they guess correctly. So essentially what we need to do is create a program, first of all, to do what it wants you to do. So we need to ask the user to guess something. So we could say number equals input what is your guess, and then if number equals 7, print well done. Now hopefully that makes sense to you, because it's a nice simple program. If the number they type in is 7, output well done. Now this program will work and do exactly what it asks you to do. First of all, we need to make sure that what they type in gets converted to a number, so that when we check it, it is the same. So let's just test this first. If I type in 2, it doesn't do anything because my guess is incorrect. So let's make this program a little bit better and say else unlucky. So if you guess it wrong, it will tell you unlucky. Yep. So the problem with this is it's only giving you one guess, and this asks you to keep repeating it until they guess the number 7. So a little hack for you in every exam: if you can able to use a while loop or a condition controlled loop. In other words, if the exam doesn't say use a count controlled loop, we can use a condition controlled loop. What that means is we need to indent everything and basically create while true. This will mean that this will always repeat. It will repeat forever and ever and ever. So if I get 3, it asks me again. If I get 8, it asks me again. 9, asks me again. If I put 7, I've got it right because it says well done, but it's still asking me. So the only thing you need to add in is something that will break the loop. So in this particular case, once the number 7 is answered, we print well done and we break the loop. So those 2 lines of code, while true and break, allow you to basically in the exam create a loop that will repeat whichever bit of code that you like. Let's test it. 8, repeat. 9, repeat. 4, repeat. 22, repeat. And it's going to keep doing that until I press 7, well done, and breaks the loop. So that is a while loop. While true repeats forever and ever and ever, and break stops the loop when this condition is met. That's challenge 19.